China's economic crisis. If you've seen a news story about China's economy over the past few months, similar images have probably been seen before. Images of social unrest, of people demonstrating outside of banks after their bank accounts were frozen, or in front of the corporate offices of major real estate developers after the halting of the construction of their new homes. Chinese citizens have had enough of prolonged covered lockdowns and a severe debt crisis among real estate developers. Chinese citizens have recently provided more fuel to the economic fire by banding together and refusing to make mortgage payments totaling more than $300 billion. What began as a modest local petition has expanded to a significant mortgage payment freeze on more than 300 real estate projects in more than 90 cities. The Chinese government is extremely concerned about it. The CCP has fought tooth and nail to suppress the movement's growth, a development that has only fueled the demonstration more as videos like this one circulate online. But how did this come about? How has Chinese real estate, which seemed like an unstoppable force, now become a major economic disaster? Let's find out, then. When you find new investors, you merely use their funds to reimburse the previous ones. Then, as people become aware of the profits being made from this scheme, they decide to become investors. And the investor before them receives the incredibly impressive payout they anticipated from their investment. The cycle keeps going, as you can probably guess. These kinds of plans are disasters just waiting to happen. However, despite being horribly illegal, they do function in a society where new investors can always be found. But why am I sharing this with you? It's because Chinese real estate development generally operates in this manner. I'll get to that in a moment. As you can see, over the past 20 years there has been a very strong trend in China for people who live in rural areas to move to urban areas. In that time, literally hundreds of millions of people have migrated to urban areas. And as a result, there has been a tremendous boom in urban property development. Owning a home became a major societal objective for people in China, resulting in extremely high demand for residential properties both as places to live and as investment vehicles. In China, in fact, property accounts for about 70% of household wealth. People will work together with other families and even save for decades just to put a down payment on a piece of Chinese real estate. And due to this insatiable appetite for residential property, it didn't take long before positive investor sentiment is the most important component for the Chinese housing market to succeed. With a sharp decline in new home sales, a boycott of mortgages, and widespread social unrest, it appears that the heyday of the largest asset class in the world has passed. Anyway, guys, that pretty much concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment below and let me know what you think. What do you think about the real estate market in China? Please leave a comment and, of course, a like for the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to see more guys, until the next video, everyone.